I'm Seamus, a member of the AEC Digital Construction Integration Team at Pentagon Solutions. And in this short video, I'm going to show and talk to you about our information model creation service and how the correct implementation can have a major impact on time, cost, and the overall performance within your projects. Our information modeling creation service provides a bespoke service to each client, providing the necessary levels of development for graphical and non-graphical information. These elements are essential for completing and bringing your project to life while working within Revit. Here at Pentagon Solutions, our aim is to create, maintain, and improve your building information model object library to your specified needs to meet existing or future projects. Our expert team works with you to create highly detailed, accurate, and functional models that can seamlessly integrate with any project. Our modeling services is the ultimate solution for architects, engineers, and designers looking to enhance their construction process and the performance throughout the project's lifecycle. These customized information models meet your design specifications, information requirements, and the desired level of development from pre-construction through to as-built stages. Here are a few topics we'll be covering and the reasons why our information modeling service is the perfect solution for your company and project needs. Integrating and converting CAD blocks to information models. Converting CAD blocks into intelligent information models can take some time, especially if you have a large library of blocks consisting of details, standardized components, or discipline-specific elements. Once your blocks have been converted into an information model, you'll find the benefits while working within Revit's modeling capabilities, utilizing these data-rich elements to maximize your productivity and efficiency. These newly created information models provide a parametric object opportunity, allowing for model manipulation and modification. This process can be time-consuming, especially if the blocks are complex or have many variations. While using these intelligent models over AutoCAD blocks, you can take advantage of the software's advanced features. These include automatic scheduling, clash detection, and visualization. This can help you identify and resolve design issues quickly and accurately, leading to a better project outcome and improved workflow for design and construction purposes. Our information models allow for a smooth integration service, providing an effective, streamlined approach by using existing CAD blocks to create efficient, intelligent objects for 3D geometry and 2D detailing within your projects. Customization of parametric elements. With our customization options, we can create custom building components that meet your exact specification and design needs. Whether you need to modify an existing model or create a completely new one, we can help you achieve your desired outcome. No matter what your company's preferred approach to customizable elements, we can provide an insight into industry's best practices for creating your family types, catalogues, and lookup tables. This will accommodate all users regardless of skill level. This allows you to streamline your design process, allowing for fast and informed decisions to be made at the right time, saving you time and money with intelligent elements to meet your BIM requirements. Level of development, or LOD. When it comes to a project outline, the level of development, or LOD, is crucial in ensuring the final product meets the intended specification and standards. We understand the importance of LOD and its impact throughout the project's design, construction, handover, and operation phases. We can work with you to determine the appropriate LOD of your project, whether it's LOD 100 for conceptual design or LOD 500 for as-built and everything in between. You can rest assured that our models are created to accurately represent the appropriate level of development while utilizing high fidelity data at these important stages to ensure your design vision is accurately represented and coordinated. Level of information, or LOI. The level of information, or LOI, contained in an information model can vary depending on its purpose and the specific requirements of the project. An information model typically includes 3D geometry and basic information about its dimensions, technical specifications, and material properties. However, it may also include additional information such as cost data, performance characteristics, maintenance schedules, and other attributes that can be used for analysis and decision making throughout the project's lifecycle. Information contained in an information model can have a significant impact on the accuracy and the effectiveness of the project. Its ability to support decision making and collaboration both internal and external. Collecting, exporting, reviewing and optimizing this information has major benefits at the organizational level, not only for engineers and project managers. It allows for estimation, procurement, document control, marketing and sales teams to enhance the decision making with key focus on improved asset management to reduce errors, save time, and improve efficiency. High fidelity data. Processing high fidelity data within an element can be a complex process. However, it will enhance the accuracy and functionality of the element to meet the BIM requirements of the project. This data includes and is related to the physical properties of the materials, textures, technical information, and other aspects that contribute to the overall functionality and specification of the component. This data will contribute to the different LOD of the information model and assist in making your models BIM Stage 2 and COBie compliant, MBS accredited with BS Kite Mark 8541, along with a BIM object certified. These concepts play an important role in various aspects of building design and construction, while also being tailor-made to your company's overall BIM goal and requirements. Allow Pentagon to assess your model and workflow requirements for a simplified project integration process. These are just some of the considerations needed to be taken when creating an information model. It is essential to ensure that the model is fluent, interchangeable, and contains the relative high-fidelity data for each component. By doing so, stakeholders can maximize the benefits of BIM information models to make informed decisions and enhance the project outcome. Pentagon, starting with the end in mind. Thanks for watching. Click subscribe to keep up to date with future videos. You can also follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter.